What did you do before 10th?
Actually, before tens, I used to spend time with the TV or any other entertainment. After after joining the tens, I feel it's a great platform for financial knowledge to everyone who want to be success in their life and to make others successful in their life.
Okay. How did you get to know about these 10s?
Actually, my brother was introduced to me to the tens. First, initially, I thought that I have to listen and leave the class, but after joining the tens, I feel a lot of things to be known to me, and I had learned a lot in the tens, and I got the financial knowledge and how to earn the money from not only by getting a job or working in the office, and the other source of I had learned about the other source of income from tens.
Okay. What did you learn in 10s which you never knew before?
Actually, mindset, madam. It is I think it's a great thing for me. I never thought of mindset, how mindset is important for success. I had learned the mindset is the most important thing for success in any field, not only in the business or anything. It will be successful in our life, in our business, to earn money and to fulfill our dreams. Everything mindset is important.
Okay. Can you please explain before attending 10s how will be your mindset and after the 10s? Can I please explain?
Actually, I used to feel that getting a job and making my life comfortable by watching TV after the completion of job, I feel it's a great thing. But after coming to tens, I feel I feel I got a lot of time to work on other fields and how to earn money from different fields, how the people the mindset of the rich people, the difference between the mindset of rich people and poor people, got to know from the tents, madam. And what the how the rich people will teach their children about business and everything, and how the poor people will teach their children, the difference between the rich and poor mindset, I came to know from tens.
Okay. What is your interested subject?
Online franchising, madam.
Okay. Why interested?
Actually, I think I can do well in online franchising. Thank
And
you, madam.
and one more question.
Yeah, madam.
What was the support you got from coordinator?
Actually, the coordinators are so supportive, like that they treat me as a family member, because the family members only teach everything as a not the coordinator is not like a teacher, but he is like a mentor who who works for my success.
Okay. What support from lecturers?
Lecturers, actually, I had learned a lot of new things from the lecturers. They are so supportive that the class is not like a book reading. It is like interactive and sharing the experience of their past journey, and how what the how the journey will be, and what the hurdles we have to face during the journey, and how we have to be successful, um, was taught by the lecturers.
Okay. What are your future plans?
Actually, the most important thing through online franchising, madam.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you so much, Tagore Garu, for your genuine feedback. It will definitely
Sir,
help institute and some other people also. Thank you so much.
sir, sir, thank you, sir.